In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S25 Edge, and today I would like to show you how you can change notification pop-up at lightning style. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down a tiny bit to click on Notifications. Then select Notification Pop-up Style over here and click on Add Lightning Style under Apps to show as brief. Now you can finally pick one of those options. You can check out Preview at the top. Or select those two options. Color to adjust it as well, not only an effect. You can select Auto or Hit Color and apply one of those. You can even click on the color wheel. Adjust it here and tap on Done. Then hit Advanced. And manage all of those options by operating proper sliders. Wherever you decided, when you're ready, hit Done at the bottom right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!